Hey everyone, the main goal of the network is to help you make real money, the kind that changes your life. Some of you have been around for a bit, but a ton of you are just discovering us, and that's awesome. Look, when we dive into topics beyond just credit, like CPNs and stuff, it's because there are all sorts of ways to earn cash. But honestly, to really maximize what you get out of it, credit almost always plays a role. It's like unlocking free money you didn't have before, giving you that edge to make smarter moves next. So let me walk you through a straightforward plan based on what the network has right now. It's logical, step by step, and it works if you follow it. First things first, clean up your original credit profile. If there's any negativity dragging you down, like bad marks or collections, get that removed before anything else. That's priority one because it sets you up clean. The easiest way? Our credit sweep service. Right now, we've got a special going. You and one buddy can both get swept for just $750. It's a steal, especially if you've got someone to team up with. Working together always beats going solo when you're chasing that money. Once that's done, boom, you've got a fresh credit report ready for approvals and rebuilding. If you already have some positive stuff on there, even better. You can jump straight into applying. Say you need a car. Getting a loan is way easier with no negatives or inquiries messing things up. You can snag credit products too. We've got this list in the network of every possible account you might get approved for. Join our Patreon to grab the full thing, then run your credit through them all to test what sticks. Pro tip, do it all in the same 24 hours and you won't trigger a bunch of pulls from the bureaus. Each issuer is different, sure, but most offer multiple products under one brand like American Express or Discover, so applying for a few from the same company just counts as one inquiry. I totally recommend blasting through the whole list. You might wonder, won't all those applications tank my inquiries? Nah, no sweat. We can wipe them clean after you see what approvals you land and what misses. Suddenly you've got available credit lines, and if you're lucky, which a lot of folks are, that includes a $2,000 loan from one of those options. Easy approval if your score is at least 600 post sweep. If your score is still not stellar, add some primary trade lines to boost it. We guide you on that in Patreon too. Oh, and heads up. Patreon members get a free sweep every month after sticking around for 60 days. It's smart for the long haul, but keep the membership active. If you dip out after that first sweep and come back later, you won't qualify again. All right, moving on. Do this alongside the personal stuff. Build yourself 3 to 4 CP files. Pump them up with a primary resource we call Gauss. It's this handy site that adds that solid primary trade to your file. Then layer on public records to make it legit. If you're stuck there, hop into Patreon for the walkthroughs or check our Instagram and YouTube videos. We cover it plenty. This verifies your profile so approvals roll in smooth. What for? Places like Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile, where you can get approved on the spot for gadgets worth $500 to $1,000 each. Set up right, stores greenlight you for $3,000 to $4,000 worth, no hassle. Now, with those devices in hand, hit the resale market. It's everywhere and super accessible. Sites like OfferUp, Craigslist, eBay, and Facebook Marketplace are gold for finding buyers. Aim for folks who buy in bulk, not just one-offs. If they've got multiple devices and seem interested, they're probably serious. Chat them up. Do they snag iPhones regularly? Or is this for family? Even if it's for a friend, you can close the deal, but keep hunting for those steady bulk buyers. Cash out from those sales, and you've got seed money to kick off business credit. It's a longer play for sure, but you can speed it up by buying established businesses with history. Folks call them shell corporations, and layering credit onto them for bigger wins. Can't cover every detail here in one go. We'll break it down over time. Basically, these businesses come pre-aged, active for years, and banks love that. They usually want at least 2 years of history before handing out credit. If yours is newer, no problem. Attach your bills and payments to report to business credit just like Gauss does for personal. We dive deeper on that in Discord and Patreon. Get those aged business trade lines in place, fund the business, and tie it all together. You've built this smooth system for generating liquid cash, flipping it into more credit, and repeating the cycle. It's game-changing when you see it click.